everybody. So I've had people ask me how to fit a big tire on the, how do I fit a big tire on the back of my car the way I do. I've ran a 28 14.5 Mickey Thompson, or excuse me, a 28 14.5 Hoosier QuickTime Pro on a 10.5 inch rim. So I'm gonna show you what I did to my car. You can do it to your SN197 or S197, whatever the hell it is, and you can fit the same thing. So basically, there is a bracket that goes from here up to here, and it's it hits your bump stop. So your bump stop normally is over here on this side. So what you do is you can see where it's been cut along this line, and then there's spot welds up here. You can see where the bracket used to be. So it comes down and it comes real close, so you can't fit a big ass tire on it because of the rub. So just cut it off flush, drill these out, and then this piece right here I got from revinracing.com. It's just a relocation bracket, so now it will hit the frame and not bottom out, and that's all you need. Boom, done. So any questions, comments, just let me know.